All right, we'll be changing out these low beam H7 light bulbs today in this 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe. Very simple to do. Just pop your hood. The low beams are located right here, the closest to your grill. And all you're gonna wanna do is pull this connector off first. Now it's just pressed on there. So once you get that pulled off, you'll notice that there's this little metal paper clip looking thing. And you see how I did that? Push it in and then up a little bit and it just springs out. Then you can grab your light bulb and remove that and set that off to the side. Grab your new Oxito LED lights. And same thing, we just throw that back in there. Whichever way that goes. Like that. Put our spring clamp back on there. Plug these things back in. And then before we put the cap on, we'll just turn the lights on and see if they work. All right, sorry, I said, I meant to say high beam in the beginning of the video, not low beam, sorry. Low beams are on the outside with the glass sphere, the high beams are on the inside. But yeah, you can see quite a difference between the original halogen bulbs on the passenger side and the new LED bulbs on the driver's side. Pretty good upgrade. If you're looking for more light, these are the bulbs to get. Check out the link in the description and enter TECH28 for 10% off your order. But yeah, Oxito, good fitment, better light. Check them out. Subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next one. This